Good girl, feeding yourself. I'm very impressed.
What?
Yeah, you think so? Thank you. Yeah, there you go. Look at you. What a good eater. Here, I'll put these over this way. We'll make it easier. Look, it's on your fork already. You did it. Here you go. Good girl. You can use your hands too. Good girl. Mm-hmm. I know, I see. You eating the eggs? Oh, you're so smart. Hey, it's already on your fork. Good job! Yay, Ella! Yay! There's another bigger piece that'll be easier. Hey, you got it. There you go. That was a big piece. Here, show Mommy your fat lip.
Please.
Oh, a fat lip and eggs. Oh, and a fork. Thank you. Thank you. All finished? What? Here, it went right here. Good girl. Oh, really? Wow, that's cool. Uh-huh. You think so? You're making a mess? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can you say bye-bye for me? Bye-bye. 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 That's right. Can you blow a kiss? Oh. Alrighty then, I guess that's all we're gonna get. Bye-bye. See you later.